The stainless steel privacy indicated knob handle working as a privacy lock in toilet partition. It has incomparable outstanding advantages in terms of performance, quality, appearance, etc. The knob set handle can be made of stainless steel SUS 304 or SUS 316 material. The knob handle with very good surface and good working function. Such indicated knobs used for public toilet, restroom and bathroom to indicate is vacant or engaged. We are manufacturing a full set of toilet partition accessories.